Launching your checks from Ashby is super easy. Within the candidate record under New Activity, if you select Assessment and then choose Zinc, you have the list of packages that you have created within the Zinc platform to choose from. And once you add that activity to the candidate and click Start Assessment, we'll pull the candidate's name, email address, and telephone number to reach out to them by email and text to start the process. Once the candidate's checks have been turned around, you'll receive a notification within the candidate record, and under Zinc Assessment, you'll have the status, which will either be pending or completed, along with the result of those checks, which will either be consider or clear once complete. This saves you from having to leave your ATS